Can really the first product launch change my life? No more wasting thousands of dollars on the launching product phase and get no results. Over 900 products launched these 2 months and got a huge success. I will teach you the game in this ebook. I'll show you the proper steps to take in order to launch your first product successfully, plus the tricks I use to gain a good amount of traffic into it, a bonus chapter included. Isn't that a great deal? What is product launch success shortly? Product launch success in an ebook that will lead you to gain a huge success just by the first product. I'll be no need to fail and fail and fail again. You will just have to read the book, follow the advices there and start confidently. Don't be shocked. How a 52-year-old man, who just started his online business because he's tired of a 9-to-5 job, make now more than $1,000 per week by his new product launched, and this didn't come by magic. No, Bob bought the book and applied the instructions exactly as taught. You still have time. Be confident and buy the book, then start your hustle. Come on. Refund policy. Use the product as taught for 30 days. Read the ebook very carefully. If you tried so hard and you couldn't detect the main opportunities as taught in the ebook, be free to contact me for a full refund. Please be prepared to show proof that you followed what written in the book exactly. You will get the fastest and most fun results that other newbies on online businesses can't even dream about. 100% epic ebook for you. No one offers a step-by-step method. Super easy to read and to apply. 100% unique tips given. The first minutes of reading, you'll discover that you'll never regret this investment. Button here big.